Well, I'm happy with the time that the car ran. Today is a bittersweet moment for me because the SQ5 has been sold. It's going to a new owner who is also an Audi fanatic. He loves Audi, and I know he's gonna look after this car. He's gonna take care of it, and most importantly, he's going to enjoy it. For me, it's been an exciting journey for the past 2.5 years of ownership in the SQ5. I must say it's been really awesome. Yes, there have been ups and downs. You've seen that as well. So there have been ups and downs with the car braking and having to fix issues that have got nothing to do with the issue on the car. Anyway, it was a fun experience, learning experience as well, just to get to understand how these cars actually operate. Overall, I've enjoyed the car. The trip that I did in December, that was awesome. And when I came back from home, I also went to Vryburg, which is quite far from Johannesburg, and it took me a whole day, I would say, because I left here in the morning and I came back like quite late, like almost following morning. So that trip was also awesome because I got to feel the car, I got to test the car as well on a longer a stretch of road, and also having driven it 800 kilometers the previous day, and the following day I took it up on the road as well, went to Vryburg. That was a nice drive, that was awesome. And that's when I realized that this car is actually, I would say, like bulletproof. It's very strong, it's very reliable, because driving it the following day, it felt like it didn't go anywhere. So that's what I love about it. It's got power, it's got so much torque, overtaking is easy. It's just a reliable car overall. Looking at it from a perspective of ownership, I think I really enjoyed it past tense. Yeah, I really enjoyed the car because it's got so much power. It's really reliable, really fun to drive, because when you put your foot down like that, it literally pushes you into the seat. Oof. Which is nice. It's a good feeling because the brakes are also good, and you really get to enjoy and throw it around the corners. And this is just a normal drive, not even in dynamic mode. So this car is really good, and it's comfortable because it's an SUV, and you also get a bigger car from a family perspective. If you need to travel as a family, carry luggage. You've seen on my previous trip, I had quite a lot of stuff in the car, and at one point the car looked like it was sitting on lowering springs. That's how loaded it was, but I was able to carry all of that with ease. Went to my hometown, tons of gravel, came back, and the car was 100% no issues. Got nitrogen in tires. That lasted me the whole trip to and back from home with no issues. This thing is like, it's brilliant. It's a brilliant car. I'm going to remember the trip that I took with it. I'm going to remember the challenges that I went through. I'm actually going to remember the stories that the dealership told me, because on the scanner it pulled a DPF error message. So everybody thought, okay, the issue was the DPF. Meanwhile, the issue was completely unrelated to the DPF, but because of the airflow sensor actually threw an incorrect message, and it read an incorrect data, and it told us that it's actually a DPF. Meanwhile, it had nothing to do with the DPF. So yeah, that was interesting. Fixed it with a tool in a can, $20. That was interesting to to figure that out and fix the car. I had a few more trips planned for it, but that's not going to happen. Hopefully the new owner can take it to more trips, to make up for what I wanted to do. So that's going to be awesome to see. The good thing is that the person who's buying the car knows the history of the car. He's been watching the channel and he's seen all the work that we've done on the car. So which is great. I'm really going to miss this car because of its reliability, because of the fact that it's an all-rounder. On a long journey, if you need to overtake, you don't have to stress and worry about anything. It's easy to overtake when you're driving, say you're on a long trip. It's fun to drive. It just works. Everything in it just works. Okay. Oof. Yeah, no, it's really fun. It's a really fun car to drive. So the idea today was just to take the car out for a drive, to enjoy it for the last time, and just bid farewell to it. Nothing much really. It's just a bid it farewell, and yeah, that's it. All the work that has been done to it, adding the LEDs on the inside, the LEDs on the doors, the LEDs on headlights. We've done quite a lot on this car, and I'm glad I did, because it really like made it a one of one, and the handles as well. We made them black, so it's really a one of one. It's unique. It stands out. Know it. I'm happy I did go ahead and buy the car when I did, because I wouldn't have these memories that I have about it today. It's a very fun car to drive. I'm going to miss that. Oh yes. Now there's one last thing that I need to do before I wrap up this video. You'll remember that this car is stage 1 tuned, and I've never actually tested it to see how it does 0 to 100 actually. So today I've decided I'm going to test that to see how fast it is 0 to 100. And I think it's just for me to know and sort of like have an idea, or sort of like a baseline to say, from the 5.3 that it did last time after I bought it, and then I want to see now if it's gonna do the same time or a little bit more or better than before. So I'm not sure, but we'll find out. Right, I've got VCDS set up to match acceleration. Then let me do that and then see how it does. Hopefully it does better than stock. Well, I'm happy with the time that the car ran. It's stronger than before, so that's what, 5 seconds faster than what it ran stock. So this is good. This is actually good. This is really good. The car is very strong, very healthy. I'm happy with that 4.8. I'll take 4.8 any day. Yeah, I think that's what I wanted to do today, just as part of seeing what the tune has actually done for the car, because I've been meaning to do this video already, but so now I have to do it before the car goes to the new owner. Today is officially the end of the road, the last day for me and the SQ5 together. It's been a run, it's been a fun one, but on the bright side, it's a new journey, a new experience for the new owner. I hope they get to enjoy this car, enjoy this beast, take it on trips and do all sorts of things and enjoy the rest of this car, because it's a massive car. It's good for road trips and it's powerful. It's got a good engine, fuel efficient as well. So I think it's going to serve them very well. For me, I don't have a lot of words at this point, but it was really a fun experience with the SQ5, and I'm hoping that the new owner is going to enjoy it as much as I did, because it's a great car. This was officially the last video of the SQ5. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Click on that bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new one, and I'll catch you next time.